6 months ago, $10K debt, duh. Today, zero. Debt felt impossible. Every paycheck vanished to bills and interest. But I snapped, got obsessed, and found a system that worked. In this video, I'll give you the exact steps I used to wipe out my debt in just 6 months. Let's dive in and change your life. First, I created a ruthless budget. No excuses. I slashed every non-essential subscriptions, eating out, fancy coffee, all gone. The goal? Free up as much cash as possible, fast. In 1 month, I found $850 extra by cutting the fat. Every cent went straight to debt. No saving, no spending, just automatic payments. This was my fuel, and it put me in control for the first time. Short-term sacrifice, lifetime freedom. That $850/month was my game changer. Next, I needed more firepower, so I started side hustling. Food delivery gig apps, odd jobs every spare hour became earning time. My goal, $500 extra a month, and I hit it. All side hustle money went straight to debt, never my main account. Over 6 months, that was $3,000 extra toward my balance. It was exhausted, but the progress was real. Side hustles turned years of debt into months. Stack your income, watch your debt melt. With over $1,000 month to attack debt, I used the debt snowball method. List debts from smallest to largest, ignore interest rates. Pay minimums on all, but throw every extra dollar at the smallest debt. Knock out the first one, then roll that payment into the next. Each win builds momentum and motivation. Studies show this method works because you see progress fast. For me, paying off my first small debt was a huge boost. Momentum is everything. Keep rolling. Next, I slashed my interest rates. I called my credit card company and asked for a lower APR. They dropped it from 23% to 14%. Then I transferred my balance to a 0% APR card for 18 months. That move alone saved me $750 in interest. Every dollar now hit the principal, not the bank's pocket. Don't be afraid to negotiate or transfer, this is free money. One call or application can save you hundreds. Never pay more interest than you have to. Finally, I made my progress visible. I printed a giant thermometer from $10,000 to $0 and hung it on my fridge. Every payment I colored in more, watching the red bar climb. Visual tracking kept me motivated and focused. Science backs this up. Seeing your progress boosts your chances of success. Turning debt payoff into a game made it real and fun. Don't underestimate the power of seeing your goal every day. That's my 5-move combo to destroy $10,000 of debt in 6 months. Ruthless budgeting, side hustles, the debt snowball, slashing interest, and visual tracking, anyone can do this. Decide you're done with debt and commit. Drop your payoff goal in the comments and join our community. You've got this. Let's win together. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.